It's Hinox time! Here's the part 3. After we keep finding caves, we finally found this one. It's huge! So we actually found iron here that we're going to use for a chicken farm. In my experiment world, this is how it's supposed to look, our chicken farm. After searching and traveling to many caves, we actually found this peak and massive cave.
For what is a man? What has he got, if not himself?
After days, I usually put effort to build this chicken farm. We just need to put this... Oh, crap. I need more mirror. And we need chicken inside this machine. Come here, brown chicken. And we're going to push this chicken to fall. And we got this one! Yes! We need to make them love. That's right. Good.